Let's learn how to replace print heads in your HP Smart Tank. Make sure the printer is on. Open the doors. Press and hold the black color copy button for 3 seconds until the carriage moves. Push down on the blue carriage latch to open it. Push down on the print head and remove it. Note that there might be ink on the print head. Open a new print head. Remove the orange plugs and tape and avoid touching the contacts. Push the print head in and up to snap it in place. Close the carriage latch, the print head access door and the exterior door. For best quality, you can print an alignment page.